ladies and gentlemen, and as always, thank you for watching. Today we've been called by the Missouri State Highway Patrol. We have some very, very high winds, and apparently has blown a tractor trailer over on the other side of Nash Road. Driver is trapped. As always, we ask for prayers, good thoughts, well wishes for all involved. I don't know if I'll get to show this if the driver is trapped, but anyway, we gotta go. Here we are. Bye. I don't know if it shows up in the camera or not, but dust is thrown up from all the high winds that we're having right now. Haven't quite made it to the wreck yet, but it's even blowing this big monster around a little bit. Not bad, but some. That might give you a better shot of the way the dust is blowing around. We're headed straight into the wind, and as soon as we turn right, we'll be hitting a crosswind, which I'm assuming is probably what took this truck and trailer over. Yeah, you can see the dust just rolling across those fields and the hills. Woo! I think I see some activity down here by the railroad tracks. Just throw the old helmet on and keep it on. Here we go. Again, I hope nobody's hurt. If they are, I pray it's not serious. I can see from here does not look good. Okay, ambulance is still on scene, so I'm going to turn the camera off until we figure out what's going on. Okay, we're straddling a culvert.
Hey, Dad.
Yes.
That part of it?
No, that looks like a bed liner, truck bed liner.
Are there two different styles of these?
Yeah, that's Ethan will show you. The Peterbilt and Kenworth ones have a fork on them with a big pin.
Just wait on Ethan to bring me a hammer and some ratchet straps.
Do what?
Waiting on Ethan to bring me a hammer and some ratchet straps.
Gotcha. Goodness gracious, can't hardly stand here even.
If I jumped up with flying.
Trailer's broke right there really bad.
I seen it.
I'm gonna go around. Oh my goodness.
Oh, well. Okay.
Yeah, I told you, trailer got ripped open probably when he slammed into that concrete or that culvert. It's just hanging over this little creek here, this little drainage creek. You got gloves on?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if you got gloves on while you're waiting on Ethan, throw those windshields back in their place, and any trash that might be in there or laying out. Holy cow. Woo! if you've got enough to be able to pull it forward, then I'll probably go down and turn around. I think I can work better headed back that way.
Okay.
Because you're going to have to reposition once you get it pulled forward a little bit.
Right.
All right, Ethan, we're going to have to wrap the front. The pin, we can't get the pin in there from where it's at. It's blocked. So just wrap the front axle and see if you can slide it forward a couple of feet.
I'm just helping him get the strap in real quick.
All right. Just wrap right there around the axle. Just once. All we're doing is trying to get that back drive off of that culvert. Make a loop out of it. Just make one big continuous loop. Here, take this loose.
Oh, gotcha. And just hook it to itself.
Like that, right there.
Gotcha.
The front shifted a little bit. All right, I'll watch it. You go ahead and try pulling it forward about a foot or so. My goodness. You're getting it. Me on the back to hold that thing for.
It's gonna want to roll.
It's gonna want to roll back over.
That's the only reason I suggested bringing it up on its side, is so we don't have it turned up and get a low grab.
It's gonna rip the side as we come up that concrete, though. If I can get it, if we can get it rolled over, I can get a strap under it and I can hold it.
Yeah.
And we can probably lift it and get it up here. All right, so you need to reposition so that you can get 2 low pulls on it. We're just going to spike it on the front. 1 front axle, 1 drive axle. Okay. Terry and Alex, I need you guys. We're not going to need a catch. This wind is going to act as a catch. No, I'm serious.
I know. But this would be a good time for a fence box.
I want those drive axles chained to the frame. The top.
Okay. We shouldn't have to on this one, should we? Because that's a walking beam.
That's not.
Not?
No, it's not.
No.
It's the air ride.
You're right.
We got it. Got to chain both those axles.
I looked at it wrong.
All right. You guys work on getting those chained. You get repositioned and set up for a roll. I'm going to go down, turn around so that I can work off the back end.
How sideways do you want me?
You need to be so that you can have you're going to have to be right about here with the back of your truck so that you can pull the top down and pull that one down at the same time.
But I mean, what sort of angle you want me at?
You're going to have to be about there. You may have to take part of the lane.
I'm going to say, I don't think I can get away without doing that.
What we'll do, whenever we get it going, once we get it up and up, I'll get a strap under the belly or under the back of it.
Okay.
That way we can control it more. All right? I'm gonna go down and turn around. No, not those. Not those. Here, hold on. We're gonna need those somewhere else, bub. I'm sorry, I should have been more clear. Yeah, we'll need those. All you need is 3/8 chains. That truck has plenty of them. And do the top end of it. Top side only. Here, hold on. Just go grab him out of that other truck. Where's the other? Hey.
It's not down right here.
Where's this one though? The other?
I don't know where that one is. I didn't grab it.
Did he? I hope it's not down in there. Yeah, we'll worry about it later. I'm gonna go get turned around. Might move that traffic control a little bit closer. I don't know. Well, yeah, if they've got somebody standing there, don't worry about it. I'm gonna go down and turn around. I want the back end just past the doors. That way I can lift it and swing it up onto the road. Do what? We will. First, we're going to try to get a tilt on it. What about my back end? All right, Terry, see if the drag winch will go down there.
What? Or
The green one, yeah. Let me, oh, I need to free spool it for you. There you go. There you go, you got it. Yeah, around the top one, but that's an air ride, so you're gonna have to chain it like you did the drive axles. What? As long as the truck will flop over and not hit you, you're fine.
I'm just trying to make sure I can still get people by me. That was Doug's dad. Have you talked to him yet?
Who?
Doug.
No, I didn't know Doug was here.
That's his truck right there.
Okay.
He said if we need to, we'll shut it down. He doesn't care.
Okay. Oh yeah, 410. Okay, I see it.
He's right there in front of us.
Okay.
But he just wanted to know.
Right now, I'm not sure.
Okay.
Let's see if this works. If this works, what my plan is we'll get it partly over, and I'll put a strap
Around it.
Well, we might be able to fish one through right now.
I haven't been down to the bottom to look.
All I need is a red. I don't need a...
Yeah.
Oh yeah, get me a 20-foot red strap out of there and a fishing pole. What?
Where's the hooks at?
What hooks?
The yellow handle hook you were asking about?
Oh, it's actually an aluminum pusher pole.
Aluminum pusher pole. Okay.
It should be on this side over here in the front bank. Jeez Louise.
Other extra change up there?
No. We're going to take this strap. Let's do it this way. We'll undo this strap and we'll push it through down there. Goodness gracious. Here, y'all get that, I'm gonna get the truck set up.
All right.
Oh my goodness. You better go forward a couple feet. I'm afraid it'll come right into you if you don't. Just cut your wheels. Give them enough room to get past you. Go ahead, I got you. For people asking about the hard hats, they ain't gonna work out here. Wind's done blowing them off. Except for us that have the ones with the chin straps. My goodness. I'm leaning backwards to try to... into the front axle. Get tied into the front axle. It would be better if you had a rim sling through it.
I mean, we could do that.
The rim sling would be better and give you more leverage.
Through the tire or what?
And back there, same thing. You're going to get more leverage through the tire.
Okay, well, I don't have rim slings.
Get them off my truck. But you're going to have to fold this up. Otherwise, the truck may come down into you. All right. Get him a couple of rim slings and let's feed him through there. Get that big chain out of there, Alex. I got you, Jerry. I got you. Coming at you this way, Terry. That's all right, you can come out. I got you. I ain't gonna let him hit you, Terry. I ain't gonna let him hit you. All right, turn around and back down the road, just like this. There you go, there you go. Now get on the inside, there you go. Good to go. Around up there, no, they need to go through the tire and wheel. The ones he's gonna hook to. Ask Ethan which ones, he'll know. Roll with it.
Okay.
Do what, bud?
Which hook do you want on that side?
White on the far side, yes sir. Go ahead and take her away. Good. Watch your head, watch your head. Now just go in between them. And come around the backside. Here, you feed it to me. Right back here, Alex. See my hand back here? I'm between the. There we go. Just working around like that. And right there. That's it. Now give me that green line. Hook it right in here. There we go. All right, and you got the white line in. The blue line we can always get in once we get it over because it'll be accessible. Hand him the hook. There you go. I got this end held up. Got it, Ethan? Just as long as the rope is On the roof side, I'll worry about it later.
It is.
All right, good enough.
Very.
My goodness.
The wind pushed me back.
I believe it. You safe?
Huh?
Are you safe?
I guess so.
What?
I said, at least tell me he's loaded and heavy.
I had no idea. Yeah, I'd be that wouldn't be cool if they rolled right over into us. All right, are you ready? I'm gonna come over with you. Well, I've got the headsets, but in this wind,
It won't work.
hold, hold. Holy cow. All right, you ready? Let's go. Watch your eyes, guys. I've got the trailer. There you go. Come on over, come on over. You got it. Watch your eyes, guys. Watch your eyes. out of that front box, get one of those black plastic things and put it right under here. There you go. Put it under that strap right there. With the long end going, yep, going up.
I do not like them at all.
Got it.
Get out of the way. Oh, you're good right here, Hank.
I'm going to try to bring the trailer and swing it up.
Do I need to put the other one on the other side?
Nope. Hey, see if you can pull it forward. All right. Good catch.
You want me to reposition and just drag it?
Yes. Let's get this son of a gun back up on the road.
Okay, if you want to take some weight off or something, I'll come over and block the road for a second.
Well, I'm going to have to hold the trailer from rolling.
Well, I know. I just meant so I can let go of this real quick
What do you mean hold the weight?
so it doesn't roll. And then I'll just grab right here and pull straight over.
If you'll give me just a second, I can set this down.
That's what I was saying. Just set it and hold it. All right, Jerry.
honestly, right now, since we've got such a horrible wind coming at us, take that and put it right in that red. I want a direct line off here, just right down here. Take it right into that. That way I can get a down pull on it as well, on this side. Huh?
Is there any waters in the rotator?
Should be behind the seat. It's all right, we're good.
The train's hauling some interesting cargo.
Oh, isn't it though? If this deadgum thing would sit still, Ethan could just drag the thing sideways. That's fine. Go ahead and take it, Terry.
I just told them that we were going to take the road for a minute. They said that was fine.
Why don't you leave your lines hooked to it then?
Well, because I didn't want to run over them.
Just go straight forward and get a hard angle on it. That way you can pull the drives. Here, guys.
There
Are you going to back up first?
whatever I need to.
I think you can cut it real hard and just go that way.
I just wanted a good side pull on it to get the drive.
Yes, I understand. Well, come on back then. Straighten up, come back. Wanted him more this way. I want that side up this way as much as possible. No, here, go ahead, help him get hooked in, guys. Let's get this cleared. Because you're going to turn the wheels the other way. If we can get it up on level ground, we'll be good.
How much this takes from me sometimes.
There, get up there and steer the wheel this way. Ethan, don't pull that way. Let off with that one. Just bring it forward with this one and let him turn the wheel. Turn the wheel this way. All right, pull, 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 pull. Yes. Have him straighten it out and see if you can pull then.
Yeah, I saw what I was doing. I didn't realize it was in.
Yep. Watch out. I'm working on it. Try to turn the other way, Terry. Hold on, Ethan. I'm coming back across. Do not pull.
Okay. Yeah, I didn't realize that.
It's all right. Now, try to pull that sideways. I'm down on the ground back here. I just want you to pull it sideways. Straighten it out. There you go. You're on the pavement. You're good. Come a little bit more if you need to. That's good. All right, break it down.
I'm working on it.
Sir. Oh man.
I about got blown out of the door trying to get out.
Oh man, it's crazy. Yeah, let's go ahead and break the rigging down. Take that white block out of the line, please. All right, go help Ethan get reset and get him cleared so they can open this road back up.
Just got blown out right here. Tire strips going on the other side.
Yeah. Jeez Louise. I'm wondering if I ought to tow the truck or tow the trailer with the rotator for the added weight and stability.
Yeah.
Since my truck weighs more.
It's pretty bad.
Yeah, no kidding.
There's somebody's bed there, part of the bed cover.
Yep.
Ron asked me if it was part of the truck, and I was like, no, that's out of the
Hey Ron, I need the Peterbilt air plug.
Ethan, well,
Ethan told me he was going to get it from you.
look in my, shoot, the one right behind the front outrigger. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are rolling back to the shop. The wind has picked up even worse. Visibility has dropped down. This is some weird weather we're having. Last week, we had over 90 confirmed tornadoes in this region. almost 200 tornado warnings. Today we've got 81 degrees and extremely high winds, high enough to blow that truck and trailer over. And tomorrow they're calling for rain and the chance of snow. Welcome to Missouri. If you don't like the weather, stick around, it'll change. Anyway, as always, we do ask for prayers, good thoughts, well wishes. The driver was injured and taken to hospital. Not life-threatening injuries, thankfully, but we still ask for prayers, good thoughts, well wishes. As always, thank you for watching, and God bless.